Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to update your Cionic Neural Sleeve firmware using the Cionic app. The process is quick, but there are a couple of important things to do before you start. We release new firmware updates to add new functionality and improvements, and to make sure your neural sleeve continues to work reliably and as it should. You might occasionally see a pop-up that a firmware upgrade is available. Totally normal, nothing's wrong. Just follow along with the steps here and you'll be set. Before starting, your control unit must be plugged into your neural sleeve during the upgrade, and you'll want at least 30% battery before you begin. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cionic app. If you're not sure, go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Cionic, and confirm the button says Open. If it says Update, tap to the Update first. Let's start. From the home screen, tap the control unit icon in the top right corner. Now you should see an Upgrade Available button under your control unit name. If the button is not there, tap the Settings icon. At the bottom of the screen, select Start Firmware Upgrade. Next, tap Check Versions. If a firmware update is available, the app will first download the firmware to your phone, and then it will transfer it from your phone to the control unit. This process takes almost 2 minutes. While this is happening, stay on the screen and keep the app open. When you see the option to proceed, tap Start Upgrade. Now just wait while the app upgrades all components of the neural sleeve. During the upgrade, the control unit will restart multiple times. Once the upgrade is complete, you'll see a Done button. Tap Done to exit. If your firmware is already up to date, you'll see a message saying no upgrade is needed. In that case, tap OK to exit. If you see an error during the upgrade, don't worry. First, confirm your control unit is plugged into the sleeve and that it has at least 30% battery. Then turn off and on your control unit again and restart the upgrade process from the beginning. If the error keeps happening, take note of the exact message and use the Report an Issue in the left menu to notify Cionic Support. If you'd like to confirm what firmware is installed, go back to the home screen, tap the control unit icon, then Settings, and choose Get Version Info. The versions will appear in a dialog, then you can tap OK to close. And that's it! Your firmware is up to date. If you run into any issues, reach out to Cionic Support for help at support@cionic.com.